So we're going to go ahead and do option number 6. This one is literally the easiest one. It seems like it's difficult, but it's not. We have a cube or a rectangular prism. So we have 1.88, 3.75, 2.75 high with a extruded cut from the center of 1.2 radius circle and another circle on the other side at 1.38. Okay, so this is the final shape, and it's the easiest one you have to do. So we're gonna go back home. We're gonna go to new part file, standard millimeters, create. This one I'm not going to do in millimeters. I'm going to go ahead and change it to meters because it's just a little bit easier. Document settings and change the row 1. Unit meters. Apply. Close. So go back to the top, 3 model type, start a new sketch here. Like I said before, our shape should have 3.75 by 1.88 and then extruded by 2.25. So we go over here. Let's go ahead and mention this. 1.88, 3.75. Finish sketch. Our shape is extruded at a height of 2.25. Extrude this, the height of 2.25. Okay. First sketch we're going to do, sketch on this face, and the circle we need to do a radius of 1.25 at the direct dead smack center of the whole shape. So let's make a circle. If we hover over the line, the O-snap will pick up, and it will be that little green dot is the center. And our diameter is 2.5. Our radius is 1.25. Our diameter is 1.25. To finish it, we're going to go ahead and extrude. We're going to cut this part right here out with the cut, and we're going to go through all, and it was just exactly the edge, and click OK. That's our first section. Our second, one more sketch. We're going to start a new sketch on this side. And now this circle is this shape. And its center line is on the former edge that we just former edge. So right there, that corner. And do that here. Right there. This has a radius of 1.38 and a diameter of 2.76. We're going to cut again. We're going to go back to 3D model, extrude, cut, and we're going to go either through the distance to the space or through all. Both of them will be set. And okay. And that is our completed shape. That was what did that take me? 3 minutes to do? Now the next thing we need to do for this is we're going to create a drawing file. So when we go back to file, we're going to new drawing, and let's go ahead with this drawing file from this shape. Make sure we're using this shape right here. Oh, cancel. I forgot to save it. So this, let's go ahead and save it. And this is, what is this? Option 6. Example. Save. Now it has a name. Now we can go back to here. File. New. Drawing. This one. Make sure it's option 6 example. Click OK. Now, this obviously gave me a base. I want to make sure I fix this right here. There. Okay. I want to get rid of this view right here. I don't need it. Yes. Now, let's also get rid of this view because it's not right. And go back and project it. This. Actually, no. All these are wrong. Escape. Let's go ahead and delete all these. Yes. And this. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Let's go for our base. There we go. I want a front view, side, isometric, that one. Click OK. And then the last thing you need to do is annotate all your shapes to your dimensions so that people know what it is. Actually, tools, document settings, sheet. Oh, I made a mistake. This unit. Give me. I forgot to put it to make sure that it was set at millimeters apply close. So now when I go and delete, I go and annotate this. This should actually give me the appropriate dimensions. There we go. And there are you finished. So we print it, print to PDF, save it as option number, was it 6? Save. And make sure you save this. Save. 6 examples. This one. Go ahead and close this. Save as. No. And we're done.